दक्षिण गोयचो खासदार कॅप्टन विरियातो फर्नांडिसान संसदेत दाबोळी विमानतळाचो प्रश्न मांडलो। दाबोळी विमानतळ चालू उरप दक्षिण गोयचे अर्थव्यवस्थे खातीर गरजेचो आसा। तेन्ना नागरी उड्डाण मंत्रालयान हे गजाली कडेन लक्ष दिवन योग्य पावलां उबारची अशी मागणी ताणें केल्या।
माननीय सदस्य विरियातो फर्नांडिस।
Thank you, Madam Speaker. First of all, congratulations to my colleague Shafi Saab for this bill. A lot of discussion has happened. I want to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister that I come from Goa and we have got two airports. One is the Dabolim airport and the newly constructed Mopa airport. Now when we talk about the difference in prices, we have a similar situation in Goa. Now when we investigated, we came to know that the difference in price, we have two airports, sir, Dabolim and Mopa, and at the same time when the aircraft is leaving, if you want to book the ticket, you will find difference in prices. When we inquired, we came to know it was because of UDF, user development fee. We have made a lot of noise. Even the Chief Minister of Goa has promised that he will be approaching the center for the same. So this, if it can be tackled, because what is happening is, as per the reply what I got yesterday, in 2023-24, Dabolim recorded a passenger movement of 68 lakhs 55,000 and at Mopa 44 lakhs 38,000. What we are worried, the people especially in South Goa, we feel that there have been attempts somehow to close down the Dabolim airport. We were given assurance in 2009 via a cabinet decision by Dr. Manmohan Singh that both airports will be operational simultaneously. But we have seen that these airlines have shifted operation to Mopa all of a sudden. One is the SpiceJet, Oman Airways, Qatar Airways, TUI Airways, and now recently a week back Air Arabia. So we have been told that there's no regulation to stop them. But we also want to know that by shifting these airlines, sudden airlines, it is going to have a bearing on Dabolim Airport, because Dabolim Airport is not an airport just for landing, but the entire economy of South Goa and probably of Goa depends on Dabolim Airport, because lakhs and lakhs of tourists are landing there, and whether it is the shack operators, the hoteliers, the taxi drivers, all are dependent on this airport. My humble request, sir, please ensure that Dabolim Airport remains operational and the jobs of lakhs and lakhs of people are protected. Thank you.